Today, we're talking about the signs that it might be time to replace your fence. A sturdy fence is essential for privacy and security, so let's dive into the key indicators. First up, visible damage. If you notice broken boards, rusted metal, or missing panels, it's a strong sign your fence needs replacement. Ignoring these issues can lead to bigger problems down the road. Second, check for rotting wood. If your wooden fence has soft spots or areas that crumble easily, it's time for a change. Rot can spread quickly and compromise the entire structure. Third, leaning or instability. Another sign is if your fence is leaning or unstable. This could be due to poor installation, soil erosion, or damage. A leaning fence can lead to further structural issues, so replacing it is often the best option. Fourth, look out for pest infestations. If you spot termites or other pests, they can quickly destroy wooden fences. If the damage is significant, replacement might be necessary. Fifth, consider weathering and fading. If your fence has lost its color and looks worn out, it might not only be unattractive but also a sign that the material is degrading. Lastly, an outdated style can be a reason to replace your fence. If your fence no longer matches your home's aesthetic or the surrounding landscape, a new fence can enhance your property's curb appeal. There you have it. If you notice any of these signs, it might be time to replace your fence. Investing in a new fence not only improves your property's look, but also its safety. Should you need professional help, contact us at 781-767-3596 or on our website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.